Welcome to Microchip's briefing. The content of the briefing includes: falling yields give stocks a boost. Morning bid, markets in a holiday mood. Business highlights, record Thanksgiving travel rush kicks off, OpenAI rehires CEO it fired days ago. 9 market themes to discuss around the Thanksgiving table. How major U.S. stock indexes fared Wednesday, November 22, 2023. Falling yields give stocks a boost. Wall Street Journal. Morning bid, markets in a holiday mood. Reuters. Business highlights, record Thanksgiving travel rush kicks off, OpenAI rehires CEO it fired days ago. Associated Press. OpenAI has rehired Sam Altman as CEO just days after firing him, resulting in a short but chaotic power struggle. Altman was fired by the board of directors last week, leading to internal conflict and pressure from investors. The lack of transparency surrounding Altman's firing highlighted the challenges of safely building artificial intelligence and the fragility of the AI ecosystem. Altman's return as CEO comes alongside the appointment of a new board of directors. NVIDIA rival Recor pulls out of China, citing U.S. export rules. Bloomberg. British chip designer Recor is laying off most of its staff and discontinuing sales in China due to recent U.S. export controls that restrict the sale of technology into China. The company, which designs semiconductors tailored to support artificial intelligence software, has struggled to gain commercial traction and reported a 46% drop in revenue and 11% increase in losses in 2022. Recor raised $222 million at a $2.8 billion valuation in 2020 but has not announced any funding since. The company's CEO had previously viewed China as a potential growth market, particularly as trade war restrictions have hampered NVIDIA's ability to sell into the country. NVIDIA shares drop as China worries overshadow stellar forecast. Reuters. NVIDIA shares dropped by nearly 4% on Wednesday following concerns that expanding U.S. chip restrictions would hinder growth in China, its third-largest market, and disrupt its AI-led business boom. NVIDIA stated that its China business would be affected by stricter export controls. However, the company predicted Q4 revenue of $20 billion, beating analysts' average forecast by more than $2 billion. China contributed over 20% of NVIDIA's total revenue in the quarter ending October 29. ASML's Lone Bear says Dutch chip gear maker faces tougher 2024 than peers. Bloomberg. ASML, Europe's most valuable technology company, could face a more challenging 2024 than its chip equipment peers, according to Redburn Atlantic analyst Tim Schulze-Melander. Schulze-Melander, the only analyst with a sell rating on the stock, predicts a 4% sales decline for ASML in 2024, compared to an average growth of 5% among 6 US and European chip tool makers. He cited an oversupply of lithography machines in China and tempered production capacities at chipmakers as potential factors weighing on sales. Schulze-Melander also highlighted technological and commercial barriers facing ASML's next-generation chip-making machines that are not yet recognized by consensus estimates. Thank you for tuning in. The content above showcases the latest briefing reports and analytical synopses, thoughtfully curated by the 6Do team. These insights stem from a wide array of reputable media outlets, think tanks, government sources, and specialized experts worldwide. We encourage you to explore these sources for a comprehensive perspective. Keep in mind that while the content may not always align with the official standpoint of 6Do Brief, it's not meant to be taken as absolute directives for decision-making. Comprising seasoned media professionals, learned scholars, and accomplished scientists, the 6Do team embodies a trailblazing, fully independent media entity. To customize 6Do Brief to meet your professional needs, you have the option to subscribe to a diverse array of briefings on our website, 6dobrief.com. Regardless of your location, you can conveniently receive 6Do Brief via email.